your A4 sheet or a cardboard, and you have to fold it to half, like this size. Okay.
Yeah, we have special invitees also here. Yes, to switch on your videos and to do together. Yes, over to back to the activity.
Yeah. Thank you very much for joining with us today. Okay, so now I folded it to half. Okay, so this is half of my card. Got it? This is the full and this is the half. Okay. Now what? You can grab a pencil. So in the middle of the card, like I'm going to draw a tissue box. Okay, so how we are going to draw a tissue box? You can leave, like you can go for the middle, take a pencil and draw a straight line like this. Leave 1 inch each side from this end and this end, and maybe this side. Okay. I will show you after making. Okay. I know it's not much visible, so I will highlight with the marker like this. Okay. And for the second, like how to do a 3D rectangle box.
You have to draw a cube.
Cube, yeah. You have to draw a cube like this. I don't know whether you can see it properly. Can you see? First box is highlighted red in blue, and the second box I done it in pencil. Okay, so what you are going to do, you can I will draw like this way. Then you will get the full box. Never mind, you can highlight, but later on we are going to color this. So the colors will overlap with another color. So don't worry about the inside lines. Okay, so take any color you like, and you are going to color the box only. So I don't have color pencil, so I will do it with my. Now from this, you can see this bottom part of the box. From the bottom part of the box, we are going to draw a straight line like here, small line, and you are going to cut it with the knife. So we have to be very careful. Don't cut it together. So you have to open it and keep it underneath something. If you have to take your small knife or something, you just have to open this. For a tissue box, there's an opening. So we need to open this, the top part, like this, small cut.
That's
Where
the
you,
mouth of the box.
yes, the mouth of the box where you can take out the tissues. So we have to give a small cut here. So be careful when you're cutting it with the knife. You can cut small part and you can use your scissors, cut the rest like this. Okay, now it's open. Okay, so now are you with me? Can I go? I'm going little faster.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now take the tissue. Take one tissue, not many. Take one tissue like this, and you can make it like fold it into two, and you can do this small, like you can gather this like this way. Otherwise, you can't put it in from this box. Okay, gather the piece of tissue like this, like a fan. You know how to make a fan from a tissue, the paper. So like that way you can do. Like a fan, you can grab it. You can fold it something like that and open the card. And from the back, you try to put this tissue in uh, towards the front of the box like this. See a lot of the balance part of the tissue. It is too much. So we are going to cut from like half of the, like if you put it half or some, you don't want this much. So we will keep little and we will cut the balance of the tissue from here.
Cut the extra tail.
Yes, extra ones. I'm forgetting the words. Okay, so now after cutting, it might come out from other side. So you have to put the tape on it. So I'll put a little tape on from the inside. Okay, so just like this. Okay, fine. So you cover that. Okay, now finish from the inside. Now outside again. Okay, now what do we going to write here? What are you going to write? So I have a little saying here. So I will I will write here, get well soon. Okay. So this is what I'm going to write now. And here I'm going to write tissue for your issue. Okay. So I will write here. You don't have to write the same thing what I am writing. You can write on your own, or you can like decorate it. Now, okay, we have enough time. Are you with me now up to this level? Okay, now open your card and you have lot of space here. So you can write whatever the way you want to write your message to the sick person. So now today we are going to make this card for Bante. So you put your own ideas and you can decorate with your own everything. You can put it to pictures or words or anything, like how if you are missing Bante today's session, you can write that also. So you can write whatever the verses you like. So hope all you got what I said, and are you with me? I don't know. I ran fast talking. Okay? Okay, got it. Yes. Yes, Sahara. So
Oh
Janvi,
my God.
so just Janvi, get well soon and come back. See, I can't cancel 16 months again. Good one.
People there? I
I
can't
just
do it,
wait,
right?
Besandi missing.
Yeah, okay, I'll wait.
සතිපාසල පදනමෙහි ඉදිරිපත් කිරීමකි.